Saturday, October 12th, I, Ms.Brie from Books with Brie and Baking with Brie, will be hosting a breast cancer fundraiser at 135 West 23rd Street between the 6th and 7th Avenue between the hours of 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. I will be selling cupcakes and other treats, as well as children's books and breast cancer awareness items. All proceeds will be going to the cause. I will be selling chips for 50 cents, iced tea for $1, hot dogs for $2, brownie bites for $1, cupcakes for $2, as well as children's books and canvas prints, lanyards for $5, and hair scrunchies for $3, and of course, our bracelets for $1 each. Hope to see you then. The cupcake flavors that I will be selling will be Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Strawberry, Red Velvet, Chocolate Oreo, and Vanilla Chocolate Chip.